perfect love story don't matter anyway. That's all for the cameras. I can see the sun rising down. You can see the love in the eyes of the kid that was lost and he turned to a rebel. Mama don't give up on me, I'm a rebel. Mama don't give up on me, I'm a
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I know I've been gone for a long time, but your girl is back. So all the new people that don't know who I am, my real name is Itunu, but you can call me Nunu for short. Cause everybody like, Itunu, what? We all know that name. Yeah, so you call me Nunu. I'm not really doing much for me. In the club, we be vibing. Pretty big, wanna be outside. But no, I really missed you guys though. I really hope y'all missed me, you feel me? It's nice to be back. So hope you guys like the video. Like, comment, and subscribe to anything, any critiques, anything I need to do better. And I would love that. Mwah. See y'all later. So I'm station. I'm got my report, you know. Of course, taking my little vitals. Now it's time to take some there. I'm gonna pass out some ice cream. I'm gonna make 6 without the bacon. One just want ice. I gotta make sure it's all clean, all clear, you know? So now I'm just doing a little chart. I mean, I can't really show y'all. Yes, I know I got a big forehead, okay? Like, I know it's huge. It's Mega Man. It ain't never going nowhere. Snack. Now my fit is just gonna go to the cafeteria because the bitch is hungry. Like, I'm hungry. Say hey. What's up? So we back. Ain't nobody else gonna do it, so fill up all the minutes. You can see it. I mean, bam. Put on like an organized clean cart. So we back. Second one. Twerk. No, let me stop. Now look at that. Organized again. See now? We got some thick old legs. Y'all can see. See now. See? Oh, and now it's a baby.
You got shot.
I'm just chilling. You finna go pick up my phone. He over there.
Huh?
Doing
What's wrong, man? You straight?
on the phone. Always chit
Hey,
chatting.
Kale's at work, right?
I want to try the crumble cookies, but I heard it was nasty.
It's all that.
Yeah. Look at the 13. Look at these. Damn, that was only your phone. Guys, okay, we found back at home. Your girl got her phone. Period. You feel me? Nice little 15 Pro Max. Now let's get into it. Okay. This bitch is sexy. Y'all see the details on there. Okay. This what comes in the box. The charger, of course. You know, the basic stuff. Nothing really too spectacular. Box a little happy. Like I'm still up in here. I'm gonna keep it 100. I'm being set my phone up. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Because, like, I'm not. So, you know, I went to Apple, set it up. Y'all see me on thing. This is my diary. My bad, I'm sorry. That was just overruled. Okay. It's already set up and everything, you feel me? Wow. You know, everything is downloading right now. You got my beautiful niece on there. You got my dang ass. Yes, baby. They're like, great, look like this, they look like that. I know. I'm not a catfish, okay? I'm not a catfish. But overall, it's decent. Upgrading from the 12 Pro Max. To be honest, keep it 100. The only difference really is the camera. And also, like, how can I show y'all? Like, you see this part right here? Like, that's really the only difference. Like, if I was to, let me see, like my best friend, he want me to call him. Y'all see it, like, y'all see how it says that? Like, that's what. Say hey, bestie. Say hey to the camera. But yeah, that's my best friend. You feel me? But yes, this phone, overall, I'm screaming. Don't be gangbanging on my phone. But overall, like, it's really nothing different about the phone. It's really decent. Everything's uploading. But yeah, that's really it. That's really my video. Thank y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. What more videos y'all want to see? Feel me? Let me know.
Yeah, cause a perfect love story don't matter anyway. That's all for the cameras. I can see the sun rising down. You can see the love in the eyes of the kid that was lost and it turned to a rebel. Mama don't give up on me, I'm a rebel. Mama don't give up on me, I'm a